Hey, what's up guys? rcinginsc here today. What I got for you guys is just basically a little experiment I wanted to try with this Runcam Orange 5. It's been really disappointing using it as an HD camera on a quad, so I decided to kind of try something different. Because you cannot use the image stabilization on a quad, it basically has to do with because the horizon changes and it has to crop the picture down so far to make it a usable picture. It does some really screwy stuff, so I won't get into details on that. But I thought maybe because an RC car keeps its horizon, that we'll give it a try on that. So I wanted to try it with and without stabilization and give it a look at a comparison and to see if there's any significant difference in it. So that's what I did today, guys. So I'm going to show you a couple clips here. The first one is going to be just me driving down the road, short clips guys, 15-20 seconds, so hang in there. And I'm going to do another run down the road with stabilization, the first one without, the second one with, and I'm going to show you side by side so you can see them next to each other. So let's take a quick look at that and we'll come back. Alright guys, I would imagine that you would probably think the same thing I do. It was actually a pretty good increase in quality. The stabilization seems to actually work when your horizon stays the same, so I was actually pretty happy with that. But that's on a flat level road running relatively smooth, so I thought I'd try to go ahead and give it a real test, and that is drive it through my yard. So I'm going to do the exact same thing I just did. I'm going to show you a clip without stabilization, a clip with stabilization, and I'm going to show you side by side of that, and we'll see what that looks like. So here that video is right now. Well guys, that's a really hard test for this thing, trying to stabilize video when it's the vehicle's moving that much. This isn't gimbal stabilized video like on a a Mavic or something like that, but it's trying its best, and I think actually was a pretty good improvement. Just running through the yard, it try to take out some of those bumps. You can't take it all out, but not bad. It's probably usable if you wanted to post this type of video. But that was just the experiment for the day. And before I leave you, my oldest son wanted me to chase him on his bike going down the road, so I decided to do that at the last minute, and I think this actually turned out pretty decent as far as demonstrating the stabilization of this camera when it's running flat and level. So I'm going to leave you with that, guys. Do me a favor, leave me a comment below and tell me what you thought about the difference between the stabilized, unstabilized video, and if it's worth going ahead and just leaving this on here and maybe go ahead and getting GoPro for my quads. So here's the video of me chasing my son on his bike. Hope you enjoy it. That's going to do it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless you.